What's up, guys? Stormtrooper here. Gonna do a review of the AAA liners under seat rear storage that they just came out with. We'll take a look at that, see how it looks, kind of how it mounts, and I'll give you my opinion. Stay tuned. Okay, so whenever you get ready to install your under seat storage container, you're gonna need to remove this plastic piece that separates the little pocket now. You're gonna have 4 8mm bolts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I've already taken some of those out. So we'll take this last one out now. And then once those are out, it has 2 push rivets that kind of hold it in. So get you a pry tool, something to get behind there, and pop it off. And there you go. So you're going to set this piece aside. It's not going to be used. Then at this point, you're going to slide this container up against the back here, and it's going to connect in 3 spots. 1, 2, and then on the far end over there. And AAA Liners has given you some nut bolt combo to attach it to. And there's 3 slots in their container that line up to those holes. So what you're gonna do, find the hole that's already there from the factory, and you're just gonna twist them on, tighten them up. Go around to the other side. Start on this end here, and it's going to line up with this hole. I put the long end through first, and then the nut on the back side. They're actually pretty good quality too. Get it started, spin it off down. Go back and tighten them. Now, I've kind of already outfitted this with the magazine holder. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's going to come with 3 foam inserts that are pre-cut for your favorite water gun or whatever tools you need for your trade. Tighten them on down. When it's shipped to you, it comes in 4 sections in the box that fit into each other to make the long piece. This was the 3D print sample that was sent to me, so I went ahead and did a little bit of extra securing with some zip ties, but the production model is not that way. It is completely finished out as it should be. And there you go. That's the finished under seat storage for the Ford F-150. Everything fits like it should. There you go. I'll show you what it looks like from the side view. Pardon my messy truck. There you go. Plenty of storage, anything you need. You can slide it. There's slots here if you want to slide it one way or the other to kind of get it centered, but I've got the AAA Liners rear cargo mat, so it's setting up a little bit high. This company's got some pretty awesome stuff, so there you go. Really impressed. I think they're going to send these 3 pre-cut foam pieces and 3 blanks. These come out tight fit. 3 blanks, so you'll be able to cut them yourself. AAA Liners under seat cargo storage. Looks great.